Hello, so in the middle of May in Kyoto in botanical gardens, irises start to flower. So famous Japanese irises, extremely attractive, nice plants. But I like you to look on their flowers more closely. So how that inflorescence is structured. You see, almost always the topmost flower is the oldest one, and then younger flower, typically more open, will be a bit lower than the closed, already older topmost flower. So that type of inflorescence is sympodial. At first, main flower develops, like here. Then it will of course stop to flower, and then lateral flower will grow. Sometimes lateral flowers will overgrow the main axis and will appear on top, but most times, at least in that species, lateral flowers will be lower than the main flower. So hence this very funny view of iris inflorescence, like topmost flower is the oldest, then slightly younger next flower, and then in the bottom of inflorescence will be very young flowers of iris. Thank you.